My people, I attended this event last week. Let's see the location.
You are at the Biodiversity Preservation Center, Nigeria. Our operational headquarters in Uyo, Akwa Ibom State.
Okay, Prof, please, can you tell us your name?
My name is Edem Achubom Edian.
This man!
I am the senior advocate of the animal.
Yes, too!
You say?
The grandpa of the monkey.
Not be juju be that. Oh, no. It's not you.
A Doro God.
Yeah! Yeah!
For those who understand the Bible. Una makana nam. Kuwemamo. Ika ambo late. If you see a bird outside your compound on a branch by 6 a.m. today, tomorrow come. 6 a.m. it will still be there because it keeps the time.
Why are you running? What?